welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys this, is it maybe like a Rustic Glam wall decor? The funny thing about that is that I had been working on doing this project for about a week and a half now maybe, and just this morning I saw another YouTube channel post something like pretty much identical to what I was gonna make. So now I kind of have to tweak my project a little bit. With that said, let's get on to the video. And like I said, I had been trying to work on this for the last week. As you can see, it's just all piled up. I was playing with ways on how I was gonna do it. So if you guys want to see this part, that's what it was supposed to look like. But again, I'm gonna have to kind of change things around. For this project, you're gonna need 2 of these silver 5x7 frames, 2 of these 2x3 silver frames, 2 square mirrors. I use 2 of these rolls of the vinyl with the white and flowers, and then also 2 of these silver trays from the wedding section, as well as this foam board. And what I didn't show is some bling wrap you could buy from the Dollar Tree, but also Totally Dazzled has some huge rolls. And then I also had these little Sawtooth Hangers. Now the very first thing that I'm going to do is cut 2 pieces of this vinyl liner to the size of the foam board. Once they're cut, I'm just going to go ahead and take the vinyl off of the backing and then start placing it on the foam board. You gotta be careful so that you don't get any air bubbles on there, so just make sure you press on it as you go, and then just flip it over and then attach it to the back. Once that's all covered, I'm going to go ahead and mark my spots where I'm going to put my Sawtooth Hangers on there. I went ahead and put some hot glue on the back of the Sawtooth Hangers, and I just placed it on where I marked it. After I did that, I took my little screws and then just screwed them in there, but then I also put hot glue over the screws. Alright, as promised, here we go. This is going to be an Instagram giveaway, so if you don't follow me now, make sure that you do. Head on over to the post that has to do with this project. Make sure you comment on there. Also, tag 3 people, have them follow me. At random, I will be choosing 2 winners, so I will be checking that you follow the rules. Good luck. Alright, back to the project. Now I'm going to take that vinyl liner, cut around, and then place it on top of my tray. You can watch for air bubbles, but you may not be able to avoid them. Now I'm going to take my trays and make sure they're aligned on the foam board. I'm going to take my E6000 glue and my hot glue and just glue it on the back of the foam board. Alright, so now I'm going to take that bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. Again, you can buy it at the Dollar Tree, but you get more bang for your buck if you buy this big roll. And I'm just going to make, or cut enough to frame around the foam board, and then also take one piece to go through the middle. On all the frames I made sure to take out the glass and everything else, and then on these I'm also removing the tabs. I'm going to align it to the tray, take my E6000 glue, my hot glue, and then just glue it on the tray, and Milani is joining me today. I'm going to clean my mirrors as best as I can, and again I'm going to be taking the E6000 glue and hot glue, putting it on the two corners, on the two side corners, and then attaching it to the mirror. Or not the mirror, the frame. Can you hear Milani in the background? Very distracting. And the final step, gluing the little frame on top of the mirror. I actually didn't put E6000 glue, and I heard the little frame fall in the hallway not too long ago, so make sure you put E6000 glue and hot glue. Alright you guys, that is it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you liked the end result. If you can hear it, someone in the background needs me, so I'm gonna say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.